channel. In this video we are going to talk about Eufy S230 Smart Lock S230. So it has a fingerprint unlocking. Then you can also decide who can access it. You can assign it to multiple emails or accounts, and then they can access it and you can see who opened it and who didn't. And then there is an inbuilt power brick which lasts up to 1 year. And then there is an auto lock feature that you can set it after 30 seconds, 1 minute, or different times that when the lock should be automatically locking. Then easy install, so I'll be going through all the steps that you need to follow for the install. And then there are multiple ways to unlock it, and I'll explain it how to do it. So like fingerprint, keypad, app, Alexa, Google, and Bluetooth. And then now we'll get into the lock. Now we'll open the box. So in this one, the first thing that you will see is the booklet. So we'll open this and check what all the things are there. Then this is the outside lock and this is the inside part. So here is the fingerprint scanner. This is a cylinder where you can open it with a key. And then this is a cylinder cover. And this is the inside. This is to lock and unlock. And then now we'll talk about the lock in detail. So out of the box, you will get all these things. So screws, keys. These are striker plates. Then you have a deadbolt, the inside lock part. This is the outside one. Then there is the sticker that you can put on your door that your house is secured with Eufy security if you have the lock system, cameras and stuff. Then this is the manual. And also to let you know, this lock is BHMA grade 2 certified. So now we'll be going to the next step, which is the installation. So step one of the installation will be the installing deadbolt. So if you see on this part it says top, so that means when you're inserting the deadbolt, make sure that stays on the top. So now if you see, this fits perfectly, but maybe your door hole here is a little further. So what you can do is you can rotate this 180 to increase the length. So if you see now, this is longer, so that's one way. Also, if you don't want to use this face striker plate, what you can do is use a screwdriver, remove the plate, and then this bracket will come off as well. And then you need to contact Eufy customer service for a free front round plate that you can get, and then you don't need to cut off this bracket on the door to install this deadbolt. So now I will be installing the deadbolt, and then I'll screw it. Now the next step will be to install the exterior assembly. So in this one, there is this wire and the pin. Make sure the wire go under the deadbolt to the inside. Then this pin, it's horizontal going in the pin to the deadbolt. So that's the first thing. Now make sure that someone is holding or securing the outside assembly before you install the interior plate. Otherwise it may fall off. The next step is to install the interior plates. The first one will be to put the wire through like this, and then the wall plate will go here. So when you're installing the wall plate, make sure the wall plate is properly straight. You can use a level, or you can just use some reference guide like as this door corner on the sides. And then there will be multiple screws going in. So the one will be here to secure the plate to the door, and then there will be long screws going here to hold the exterior unit to the plate. So now there was one small screw that went on the top, 2 long screws on the sides here. Also one thing that it may seem that the plate is not aligned, but that's the rubber seal that insulates the plate from the door exterior parts. But if you double check the plate for yourself, like, it should be straight. Then there's cable there, and then now in the assembly you will have 4 small screws left, and then one rubber seal. So now we'll move to the next step. So now we'll be installing the interior unit. So in this one, if you open the battery compartment, you'll see the battery. So if you haven't charged the battery, you can remove the battery and charge it full. As per the manual, it says it will last for 1 year. So I'm not sure how many per day use they are counting, but yeah, so at least, like, if you're using it too much, 6 months should be good. Then before you install the plate, you have to insert this connection to the interior assembly. So make sure you keep this red or orange tab on the top, it's matching this one, and then you can insert it. like this. So when the connection is secure, now when you have to turn the lock, make sure this latch and that latch are matching the direction. So I can turn it. So if you see, this is horizontal, that's horizontal. So now I can insert it to secure the interior plate. So we have small screws, but we only have to use 3. So 1, 2, and 3 here. So we'll be installing them. So once all the 3 screws were installed, at the end you'll be installing a rubber plug at the bottom. Now we'll be installing the battery, but just to let you know, so if you want to charge your battery, all you need is a Type-C charger for your battery, and then you can just put it directly on, and then once it's charged, and then it's good to go, and you can insert it in the lock. Now we'll be inserting the battery, so the black sticker side will go on the inside, so you can see the tabs, and it will be matching on the inside, and then the Eufy will stay on the out. So once it's inserted, you'll be getting a confirmation from a lock in a tone that the battery is inserted. And now I will close
Welcome to Eufy Security. Please download the Eufy Security app to complete setup.
So now once the battery is inserted, it will ask you to download the Eufy app to go further in the steps to set it up. So now in the interior assembly, you will see this is the battery cover, this is the lock and unlock, and this is the plug that we installed. Then this is the deadbolt that we installed, and this is the outside unit. There is this cylinder cover on the top, so you just have to slightly pull it out and open it. Then there are 2 sets of keys in the box that you can keep it with you and lock and unlock the door. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video helped you to understand the Eufy security door lock system better. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. To end the video, I'll be locking the door. Thank you.